Discover your dream home nestled on 25 wooded acres. This stunning 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom home boasts ample living space, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Enjoy the warmth of 3 stone fireplaces, the luxury of a master suite, and the convenience of 2-stall garage with a workshop. Tucked away from the road, this private oasis offers the ultimate escape from the world. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.